everybody, I'm Ashley and this is a product introduction video for More of Celebrating You stamp set and coordinating die collection for Ink to Paper's June 2019 release. This stamp set was illustrated by Jennifer Campbell, and there are 14 actual images in this stamp set on this 4x6 sheet. It retails for $16. You also get 3 different sentiments: new baby, get well wishes, and sending happy thoughts. And these are hand-drawn, handwritten sentiments by Jennifer Campbell. You also get 3 different balloon options. You get this kind of a traditional shaped balloon, you get a circular balloon, and you also get a star balloon. And with each of the 3 balloon options, you get a solid, an outline, and a watercolored image. You also get 3 different strings, a longer one, a medium one, and a little short squiggly one. And then you get 2 confetti images where you can use to add to your card design or fill them in the actual balloon for a confetti shaker type of balloon type of look. All right, so the sentiments are new baby, get well wishes, and sending happy thoughts. All right, and this stamp set will come packaged in our hold and fold storage system, and it retails for $16. And you can get the coordinating dies here. There are 4 dies. You get the star shape, the oblong shape, and the circle shape, and then the short squiggly string shape here for $6. And it comes just like this with all the 4 images wired together. And just to show you some things you can do with this, again, this is an addition to Celebrating You, which was released in our May 2019 release. So more different balloon shape options. Here is one card I'll share with you that I created, and I just used the circle solid image to stamp this beautiful cluster of balloons, and then just added new baby. I selectively inked wishes to have new baby wishes. So here's another card that I created. This is a watercolor design, and I used it with watercolor paper, and I used the watercolor images here for the star, the oblong, and the circle. And then I also used the outline, and then I used sending happy thoughts. And then here is another one I created with watercolor with no outline, just so you can see how it can look more watercolory. I paired it with the sentiment from the original Celebrating You stamp set. So you can mix and match the stamps from the actual stamp sets and come up with different options and sentiments if you need to, of course, and mix and match the balloons from Celebrating You stamp set, and then More of Celebrating You gives you just a little bit more options and then more sentiments as well. So I hope you enjoyed this product introduction video for More of Celebrating You, and I hope this inspires you to get stamping some beautiful balloons on projects to celebrate all sorts of occasions that may come to you in your life.